Hi, this is page 6 of the Music Theory Computer. The last definition you need is accidental. So if we go here and we see accidental, and this one is particularly weird. Musical symbol placed on the left-hand side of the note head to raise, sharpen or lower, flatten or return to the normal pitch, natural, of the note. Okay, building major scales. Starting with a given note, you then place a note on each line and space of the stave in a stepwise motion. So you go up, or if you're building a scale from high to low, you go high to low. And then, using your computer, you rotate the disc until the letter of the first note appears. In this case, C. So let's have a look at my computer. And there it is there. And the window immediately below will tell you if you need to sharpen or flatten any of the notes in your scale in order to get the required pattern of intervals. So the old-fashioned, the way I usually do it, is I know that there's 2 semitones between the first two, and then 1, and then 2, and then 2, and then 2, then 1. Notice there's a slur under the ones with just 1 semitone. So 2 semitones up from C is D, 2 up from D is E, 1 up from E is F, 2 up from F is G, 2 up from G is A, 2 up from A is B, and 1 up from B is C. We've done this before in class. With reference to page 1 of the Music Theory Computer Instruction Manuals, answer the following question. So there's specific formats that they want you to put in. How many notes are there in 1 octave of a major scale? Instruction manual, you can go to the instruction manual and page 1. And there are 12 different major keys. Search around, or you just count the numbers. I think I'm going to do that. So there are 8 notes in 1 octave of a major scale. Which scale degree number of a major scale are the same letter? Well, let's have a look. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Well, C has 2, 1 at the start and 1 at the end. What is the interval pattern that all major scales must conform to? Okay, I'll write it, but so it's tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone, or 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, which is the number of semitones. The pattern above means that the semitones occur between which scale degrees? Well, scale degrees have to be careful because you're counting scale degrees here. Okay, so it's between 3 and 4 and 7 and 8. Although if you count here, it's on 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7. So be careful how you do that. You have to count the scale degrees. When you're counting semitones or tones, you count steps. When you're counting scale degrees, you start with the first scale. The patterns above mean that the semitones occur between which scale degrees? Oh, we've done that, sorry. Just double check, 3, 4, 7, 8. Okay, that's it for page 6. See you in page 7.